Looking for the perfect goodie bag idea for your Easter party this year? Try making a cute and simple Easter egg drawstring pouch. You can use up some leftover scraps of fabric to make this colorful Easter egg design. You can download the free pattern on my website in the link below and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. First, you want to arrange your fabric scraps. You can arrange your scraps however you want. I like to use white at the top and the bottom to make it look a little bit more like an egg, but you don't have to do this. This is the stage where you can design your Easter egg however you like it. After arranging your scraps of fabric, you want to sew them all together. Now you need to cut out your Easter egg pattern pieces that you can download on my website, linked below. Place your pattern pieces on top of your fabric scrap collage and cut out 2 of the Easter egg pouches. Sew the 2 egg pouch pieces together with right sides together. Then you want to turn the pouch to the right side. Now you want to cut out your drawstring casing. Next, you want to hem the drawstring casing pieces by making a narrow hem on both sides of both pieces. Sew both of the drawstring casing pieces to the upper edge of the bag. And press the casing up and away from the bag. Next, you want to fold the casing over on the inside and stitch. You can ditch stitch or edge stitch depending on what you're more comfortable with. Now all you need to do is add your drawstring. Insert 2 pieces of string through the casing. And that's it, you're finished. You have your cute little Easter egg treat pouch.